Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Strava account. So if you also want to create a Strava account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. First of all, make sure to install Strava application in your phone. Launch open Strava application. Wait for it to load. You can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom you'll be able to see two options, join for free and login. If you already have created your account, you can simply tap on the login option. If you want to create the account, tap on the option join for free. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can either create an account with email, Google or Facebook. Enter your email address and create a password for you. Make sure the password contains 8 characters. If you want to continue with Google, tap on the option continue with Google. If you want to continue with Facebook, tap on the option continue with Facebook. Here I'm going to create an account with email. Simply tap on the email box. Now type in your email. Now create a password for you. Now tap on the sign up option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see this kind of pop-up right over here. Tap on the accept option. Now you can see over here you'll have to fill in this kind of informations. You'll have to fill in your first name, last name, birth date and gender. First of all, tap on the first name box. Enter your first name. Now enter your last name. Now enter your birth date. Simply tap on the birth date box. Now you'll be able to select the birth date over here. You can see over here you can select the year. Now select the day. Tap on OK option that you can see right over here. Now you'll have to select your gender. Tap on the gender box. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Select your gender. Now tap on the continue option that you can see at the bottom. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface you'll have to select the sports that you're interested in. Simply tap on the sports that you're interested in. Now tap on the continue option that you can see at the bottom. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see the question, what do you want the most from Strava? Select the option of your choice. Now tap on the continue option at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to find your friends. You can also follow popular athletes over here. Simply tap on the follow option that you can see right next to the athlete that you want to follow. Now tap on the continue option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Read this information very carefully. Now tap on the option allow, or if you do not want to allow right now, tap on the option not now. Tap on the allow option. Now you can see over here you'll be able to see the plans. You'll have to subscribe to Strava. You can start the free trial or you can also skip it. Simply tap on the wrong option that you can see at the top left corner of the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the done option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here your account is created. So that is how you create Strava account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.